With hurricane season just a few weeks away, power companies in Florida, they're getting ready, and they are looking to upgrade systems before any storms hit.
10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido live in St. Pete for us this morning. And Angie, they're looking to harden the power grid to make sure those lights stay on.
3 different companies in the state are actually doing this. They're asking for millions of dollars in order to increase storm resiliency in case we get a big one that hits us right here at home. Duke Energy, one of those companies that is doing that. This morning we're at their substation. This is an area that is key to get power to and from customers in this area, especially when the power goes out. Now, Duke is asking for close to $143 million for funding to upgrade its system. This is all a part of their storm protection plan that they're required to submit. The money would help Duke do standard maintenance like checking power poles and maintaining vegetation, but it will also help put in some new technology that can help during power outages. Right now, the focus is on self-healing technology that would automatically reroute power if a pole gets hit during a storm. So it instantaneously reroutes power around whatever hit the pole, so you don't have to wait for a crew to go out and figure out what's wrong and then fix the line.
Last year, self-healing technology was able to avoid 250,000 outage events. And in addition to that, it saved 17 million minutes worth of outages. So that's a really successful technology that we're using to help reduce outages throughout the year, but also during storms.
Now, the last major storm that impacted Florida was Hurricane Irma in 2017. Irma knocked out power in more than 60% of the state. That's more than 6.7 million customers. Storm prep is something that Duke does 365 days of the year, but they're focusing on this right now to try and stay ahead of everything. Now, outages are still likely when it comes to storm season, even if we don't get a major storm. So they do want people at home to remember and prepare for that possibility. Now, with all this being said, though, it is kind of incredible that storm season is just around the corner, because this morning, as the sun comes up, it is feeling pretty good out here.
Oh, you're not kidding, Angela. I mean, it feels great out there this morning. But you're right. I mean, we have to start getting prepared. The power companies are doing it. We need to do it as well. It's a good reminder because, I mean, hurricane season, guys, is just 22 days away. And over the last 7 years, we have seen development before the official start of hurricane season, and even a tropical storm can have an impact on you, your family, and ultimately your power as well. The ocean water is warming up, and that's an indication that the tropics are warming up as well. Once those temperatures climb at 80 or above, they can support a hurricane. We're tracking a low-pressure system, a non-tropical low-pressure system off the Carolina coast. There's some indication that it'll be something to watch, but we spoke with the Hurricane Center yesterday. They said, yeah, nothing to worry about right now, though it will bring us an increasing chance of rain as we go into the weekend. But we're also watching our first tropical wave. Yeah, our first tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa. This also poses no threat for development, so it's something that we're watching. We're just kind of, dusting the rust off, if you will. Again, because over the last 7 years, we have had a named system develop before June 1st. After that, season is open.